Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the CapCut Pro features from your edits in CapCut PC. So if you accidentally or unknowingly use a CapCut feature from your edit, when you try to export, if you're on the only on the free CapCut, when you try to export, there will be these notifications that tell you that you are using the pro feature or material, and this is the features that I unknowingly use on my edits. For example, here, to remove it, you can just click on back to edit, and in here right click, because I use the voice isolation, so I'm going to click on none.
on
That's
on the
it.
phone with
So
me.
try to export the project again. Click on export at the top. Now I can export my projects. So that's how you can remove pro features from CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like